Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a in-stock 2025 280 Vantage. Starting here off the transom, we have twin Mercury 300s in white with joystick piloting. You have a live well, your fold-out transom seat. We have fish boxes in the floor, port and starboard. Fold the seat back in. You have a really nice access to your bilge. We have a standard port side dive door, makes it real easy to get on and off the boat, or if you're swimming. We have the isinglass enclosure on this boat here. The hardtop rocket launchers moving in. On a cold day like today, this isinglass really helps you get out of the elements. Port side here, a couple different seating configurations. You can lay this all the way flat, flip this one up. There's your dive ladder. Over here to the starboard side, we have a wet bar with a sink, storage underneath. Moving up to the helm, here you have Mercury's joystick piloting control, your throttles, Simrad VHF, 12-inch Simrad for navigation, all your switching, stereo control, and your Lenco trim tabs with the indicators. Back to the port side, we have your bathroom compartment. It's a vacuum flush head with overboard discharge. Nice sink down there. Glove box. Moving forward, we have a wind door. Storage underneath the console here. You can flip this windshield over. Slide your canvas back in, and now you're completely out of the elements. Up towards our bow. Very spacious, a lot of seating. We have a windlass anchor on the boat with a beach boarding ladder and a freshwater shower. Come check us out at MarineMax Huntington or give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.